Friends, I have told you a lot of topics. I will let you know one by one. Uh, First, I covered you stock entry exit criteria. Then the next topic we discuss physiology and quality of good trader. Then we discuss candle pattern, technical indicator. We have done practice on investing to how to find out stock, how to find out pattern, how we can analyze stock in daily, weekly and monthly chart, what time frame I should use in intraday trading. Now I am going to cover price action trading. You might have listened this thing many times, but this is for the people who don't want to use indicators, who don't want to use patterns. So this is only based on the candle view. So there are three strategies. First is gap up, gap down opening after previous day closing. The second is first 5-minute candle strategy. This is from the trade has to done 9:15 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. based on 5-minute candle strategy. This is done by aggressive traders. Then the third I will cover first 15-minute candle strategy, and you have to see the candle of first 15 minutes. The time I already mentioned, that is 9:15 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. This video is for education purpose. Please share the videos and tell people to subscribe. More and people subscribe, so they will be also benefited, and we can make a knowledge pool, so we all can earn money, we all can learn. Please subscribe video, please forward to people who are interested in share market. They are not getting their profits, so I will tell you all combinations, all type of strategies which is good and fine for your setup. Do it. So I am going on next. Gap up, gap down opening after previous day closing. For this strategy, you have to go on daily chart of previous day and note down candle low and high. In case if market opens gap up or gap down, or it breaks previous day candle high or low, then or you find a bullish kicker or bearish kicker candle, then you can go ahead with trade. and the trade has to be taken first 15-minute candle 9:15 to 9:30. This is the best trade setup. Take a trade of stop loss of low bullish candle, or take a trade stop loss of high of first candle if it is from a bearish. Exit and take a trade as per your target defined. Risk or reverse ratio for this strategy can be 1:2 or 1:3 as per trader analysis. Please verify the trend. Trade with trend. You can use the trend line I already told. You have to check the sector index, that should be positive, and take the stock selection as per your criteria. For this I will especially mention you must have liquid stock. So this is the first strategy. Then the second strategy is first 5-minute candle strategy. Usually market opens for trader from 9:15 a.m. and it starts momentum. It opens gap up or gap down most of the time, and 20% it is a flat market, or Nifty open 20 to 30 point positive or 20 to 35 negative. I will advise you to use here pivot point only. That will help you to know the correct entry point, so you can know the resistance. So first, please note down the first initial 5-minute candle 9:15 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. You can draw a line. This is a good practice. You can draw a line from high and low, a vertical line on 5-minute candle. Buy a stock when cross above high of a channel with the stop loss, or as a channel low. Short when below low of channel with the high of channel range as a stop loss. This method works both on stop, gap up and gap down. So this is 5-minute candle strategy. So you can use that, and stop loss you can put previous candle low or high as per your trade. Then the next strategy is first 15-minute candle strategy. This is, you can try between 9:25 to 9:30. You have to note it down, 15 minutes candle. Please note down, you have to always note down previous day high and low. Buy when a stock crosses high of the channel with the stop loss as a channel range low. Short the stock below of channel range with the high of the channel in a stop loss. For 15 minutes is important because it decide day trend. Usually if any stock in first 15-minute candle 9:15 to 9:30, if it is a bullish, then it will be a bullish overall a day, and if it is a bearish, it is a bearish. Risk reward ratio is same, 1:2 or 1:3. Please take a trade in trend direction. You can use a trend line. Please check sector index. Stock selection criteria. You must try the stock which is meeting the stock selection criteria. The stock which have a good momentum, which has moved 2 to 3% up or down. So you can take a trade based on that. I will just use and give you some example on first 15-minute candle. I will draw a line so you can see that. So I am going, I open a trading software. You see, I am going to try on Instant Bank. You see, today market is closed. So I will apply first 5-minute candle strategy. Let me go. I will put a line here. Just see. I should go line. Then I should go here. You see that 11. Then you see it is 12. You see it is 9:45 candle. It is 9:15. This is 3:15. This is 9:15 candle. This is 30 minutes candle. So this is 30 minutes candle. So you have to wait at least one candle on that. If you this is over, this is, you see, 3:15, 9:15. You see, this is 9:30 candle. So you see that first candle has, from here it is a bear trade. So you have to wait for the closure of candle. You see again it is a bearish candle. So you put down the stop loss and you can take a trade at 10 am also. You see, from here to, if you buy here, you see 15-minute candle, first 15-minute candle, market open. If you buy here 9:30, then from here 429 to 437 you can get a profit. So you have to use all. I will take next share, Axis Bank. You see, you have to see whether it's sideways or range bound. Axis Bank, there is no trade. You see that. Then you go ONGC. I am taking a trade ONGC. You see ONGC. You see here 9:15. It has low. If you have sorted this is 75, and put a stop loss here 1%. Then you got 75 to you got 74. This is a very small stock, so you got good money on that. I will take any other stock. Let's say Reliance Industry. You see Reliance also. Here you see it is 9:30. If 9:30 you have shorted this stock with the stop loss, you see 1562 to 1563 to 1632. So you got some 30 rupees profit. Then I will take another stock, because today market is bearish, so most of the time you get very straight. So because of gap down, let me take another SCL Tech. I am going SCL Tech. See SCL Tech. You see 930. 930 here, one candle, it is a buy, put a stop loss here. Then if you have buyed here, this level also, this is 504, and you got profit up to 518 rupees. So you see how much profit. If I take from this candle 504 to 518, it is 15 rupees. I should take Infosys. You see Infosys also, if you take on 930, here it's close, I taken here. If I buy here on 15 minutes candle, because it is close at 930, I have to wait next candle. This is a green, I buy with the stop loss. If I take profit from here, it is 671 to 679, 8 rupees profit. I should take Cipla. Let me take Cipla. Cipla, you see here 930. 930, it is range bound, so you have to use, it is range bound, so no trade. Use Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, you see 930. Here you see 930. It is 930 candle. I bought here. If I take a profit from here also, 457 to 463, 20 rupees profit. So you see a lot of profit is there, and you are not using any candle, I mean to say any indicator on that. Let me take 5-minute candle, which I told you. Strategy, first 5 minutes, you go here, go here, go, you see 935, 920. Then again you see here also, if you bought here, then this candle also you are getting 465 to 467. So if buy on next candle from here 465 to 468, you take next Infosys. You see here Infosys, it is range bound, so you have to see. Let's take another share which has good volume. I am going to take next share, that is HDFC Bank. See, let's go to HDFC Bank. You see, if you have shorted at this level, then you see this has gone from here 886 to 874. So in all stocks you are getting 6 to 8, 10, 15 rupees profit. Let me take on 15 minutes candle strategy. You see here, this first, this is the 30 minutes. Then again you see, if you have sold it here from here 9:49 to 9:13. So you see 9:46 to, so you see how much profit. You are not using any indicator. So you must remember that always first 15 minutes candle is very important, and I have shown you can have a practice on software, any software. Always use a stop loss, always use a trailing stop loss. This is what I am telling based on your experience. Please do not trade before taking proper training or proper practice. I am repeating this again and again. Please do not train on tips of the broker company or the companies who are providing you terminal. You should develop a skill by own to get into, because you know, if someone recommend us momentary, because all intraday calls are momentary call. If I tell you you take a trade, there is a delay, and maybe that time if a stock is in bull, it can go into bear, because in seconds people book the profit. So calls become old, and bear change is direction. Please have a paper trade initially 2 to 3 months. See the success ratio. Please take a training for the people who is certified, NSE certified or NFT certificates, and please take a training from the person who is trader and trainer both, because maybe trainer can tell you bookish knowledge, but he will not able to give practical knowledge because he is not a trader. So that will not be beneficial for you. So you can analyze this on the off chart previous day and try to have practice. So these three are very good strategies. Entry and exit point you have to decide. Always you have to enter right time. The game in stock market is entry and exit. If you enter on wrong time, you will be in losses. While having a trade, if you are entering, you must decide your exit. Always use a stop loss. Don't use without a stop loss. Don't play without a stop loss. And a stop loss should be 1% to 1.5%. Risk reward ratio should be minimum 1:2 or 1:3. You can use a trailing stop loss also. I have shown you these three strategies. There is no indicator, there is no candle, only candles based on the price. We having a trade. We must follow one strategy. If you have some good strategy you follow, you have to stick on your strategy. Don't change your strategy day by day. Stick to your gun. Stick to your strategy. So this is what I told you. This video is for education purpose. For getting more expertise, you must have a proper training. Don't do intraday trading without proper training, proper practical and theoretical classes. Then you enter into game, because in intraday trading you can lose whole money. It is really tough. Only 5% trader pass, 95% fail. I am repeating this again and again because this is giving you alarm, so you will be careful. Don't lose your hard money. Do not take a buy or sell on someone tip whose you don't know, whose competence you don't know. So please share a video and tell people to subscribe, so they will be also beneficiary and they can reduce their loss. In case of any query, you can contact me satyendrasings3119766@gmail.com. You can WhatsApp me 987393871. Please talk to other traders. Always, if you are doing a trading, and discuss, so you can refine your process. Probably he can suggest you good thing and you can improve. So thanks a lot, friends. Thank you. Good night.